Hi guys, let's go to this tutorial. Let's go to create our second chart. So come to get here to get step column chart. Move it here. So guys, here we are going to create it. Let's take to 8 font to put in XX and go to the column in Y-axis, column count, and then gender in the legend. Yes, not cool. So let's go to guys, select like this, come to informate here, and then put it here. Look like how it's changed. So, and not go to give the size. Uh, okay, so background will come to here property. Just to give the height to 60, and then to give this one 85. So it give us the same size like this one, right? Okay, I'll go to change the title. Come to here, title. Okay, say here. No. Okay, by character. Here, no more. No more, no more employee by age group. Okay, by age. Oh, our titles look nice. We're going to change it to format to I'm going to close the y-axis as you see here to make this one. So we don't want it y-axis. We want to it look nice. So come to here, let's to change this one color. You see there, and then the bold, the noise, the height is okay. So if you don't want a title, okay, you see different title. Title, just change the color to this one, and then give font size semicolon. Yeah, so now nice. You want to increase, then what else? Legend. So if you want to legend close, right, look like that. What you want the legend be shown on, and then what else? Come to here, title. thing, then the title, then the text color, which is one, same the text color, then the color. Okay, let's go to in y-axis, so we already changed this one, and then so we change this one. So we change this one. We already changed all the colors. Okay, what else? If I just want to show you showing everything like this, guys, you are going to learn everything. To understanding how it works. This one will work close. Come to legend here, and again to see how you can understanding how it's work. Come to level here. So that's the level it will show me here. The only thing close. We want it the level shown us. Come to down here. This one is going to change the color. Yeah, when we don't need it. Else we have here is all the colors is being shown us. And property we already showed the property. So I want to do that again through you all. It look like come to net again, click like this to see all title. So in this way, guys, you are going to create it exactly like this one chart. Everything is look perfect and we creating. And there is only one thing I want to show you in my next tutorial, but everything look perfect. You see in the all the age, the age in the number from 25 to 34, 35, 45, and you see so on. This is the age number, then you see in the percentage how many people working in the company in the from the age and look amazing. And I hope guys you learning and this tutorial. So I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial. So we are going to complete this tutorial step by step every day. See you in my next tutorial.